media that she's getting married and all. It's surprising, but yes, it's great. I'm really happy for her. And yes, we're in touch, but we just not able to meet up or not able to catch up. But we'll soon meet up, and I hope that she deserves all the happiness after marriage. So yeah. So the question, my web series, when is it coming? So for now, till December 24th we're shooting, and then Jan May we're shooting some 5 to 10 days, a week max, and then hopefully in the month of March or April we'll get to see the show, and fingers crossed. The show has lot of action and lot of drama and lot of chaos and romance and lot of kick-ass gangster stuff. So I hope you guys will watch it. I hope you guys will like it, and of course feedback is appreciated much. So let's see, let's wait for that. Hi Nancy, hi, how are you? Muskan Chaudhary, hi Muskan, hey, hi. Priyanka Gupta, there you go, hi. Hi Zahin, Pragya. So any one of you has any sort of questions for me, you can go ahead, you can ask. I will try to answer. What's your character name in Hero? So my name is Nawab in the show, and as it belongs to a character from Meerut, from UP, and he hails from there and he comes down to Bombay, and then his journey. The show is all about that, of how he gets into all the gangster stuff, the boys and the gang, and how he grows himself, the journey of him. Thank you so much everyone for your blessings you've been wishing. Nawab Mia Bhai, Assalamu alaikum. When are you coming to Pune? I was in Pune for Diwali with my family, because that's what I feel, that Diwali is all about spending time with your family. So yeah, I had a great time, and now I'm back over here. So let's see, after Christmas and New Year's I've taken off, so possibly I'll travel somewhere. Let's see. Hopefully not India, but somewhere out. I don't know. I think I deserve a break, because everyone deserves a break basically. During this COVID, we're not able to travel anywhere, especially international. So let's see. Hi Tony. Hey Sana, hi. How is your hero shoot going? My shoot is going really well, although it's hectic, but we're shooting night shoots. We're having some crazy dance scenes and some party scenes, and we're having good fun, and it's great to meet new bunch of people, new talent, and also we have a huge gang, huge cast over here, like at least 15-20 of them shooting together, and it's nice. It's nice to know new people, new talents, and there you come to know that you're so blessed, because a lot of people come together to make a show happen, and a lot of people are putting a lot of efforts in it. So yeah, it's not easy to make a web show or any television show or any film for that matter. Hi Sabita, hi Kisu Wasrani, hi Itu, what's up? Hey Gauri, hi. Anita, hi everyone. DY Yadav, there I took your name. Thank you so much. So people are asking me that am I shooting something with Erica? I don't know. For now to know, but she's been shooting something on YouTube, and she's very talented when it comes to creating content over it, and I appreciate that, and I've appreciated her in fact, because she has a lot of creative sense when it comes to promoting any brands or anything for that matter, and I'm equally bad because I'm totally occupied with work and shooting and everything, so I don't much get time. Hi Kushi, hi Nisha, there I took a name. Geeta, hi Geeta. आप मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? Erica, there you go. See, you live 100 years. People just asked about you and you are like big fan. Yes, you are. I know that. Thank you so much. When will I work with Neeti Taylor? Like I said, I don't know. I've been caught up with my current show, and let's see. Once we both get time and the makers are ready to make the show again, season 4. Hi Vaishnavi. Hi. Hi Dr. Himani. What else? What else? Just ask me any question or anything for that matter. Say Chirkut. There you go. Chirkut. Hi Kirti, what's up? Hey Ariba, hi. Okay, please notice me part there. I missed your name. Sorry. The names are going quickly, so I'm not able to register one particular name. Hi Ash. Hey Amisha, hi. So give me one chance to act in your show. So Erica has been asking me to give her one chance to act in my show. Well, let's just say that I've worked with you for 2 years. Isn't that enough, Erica? Small role will also do. Well, let's see. We have some crazy dance performances happening over here. I think you should be a part of it because you're good with your dance moves. So yeah. Divya, hi. Shraddha, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey Kavya, hi. Hi Lija, James. Krishna, hey. What's up? Hi Sheetal. How are you? Hey Pammi, hi. कसौटी ज़िंदगी का शो कब स्टार्ट होगा? वेल अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट that is not happening because we move on. The project is done now and we're done for good, and we had some great time shooting that space. In fact, today is my Baba's birthday, on screen Baba Uday Tekekar. So I wished him. We just had a group chat with me, Sahil, Pooja, and everyone, and we had some good laugh over it. And Baba is in Mahabaleshwar right now, enjoying with his family. So yeah, we're pretty much in touch with all the actors on the show. Hi Shraddha, hi. Hey Rudrani. Yes, Erika, I actually wished Baba. Don't worry about that. Of course, I remember his birthday. Swati, hey, hi. Omna, Ayantra. Thank you so much, Anu. Done with your hero shoot? No, hero shoot, I think December 23rd. We are finishing a good chunk of it, and Jan will be shooting for some 5 to 6 days, possibly, and then we are done. You didn't add me, how me? Well, it was Shubhi's call, so I think you should rather ask Shubhi, Erika, about this. Ethel, hi Ethel, what's up? Hi Madhumita. Well, I'm not able to register, even I missed everyone's. Hello sir, hi, hi, hi. Please show me your mug. Well, there you go. It's Thanos mug. If you're a Marvel fan, you'll understand. Hi Revati, what's up? So for now, right now I'm shooting for Hero, and it's a night shoot, and I'll be shooting till morning, 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. possibly, and we have a last day over here at this particular location, and then we'll be shooting in Bandra for our aage ki scenes. Bye Erika, bye. I'll see you soon, very soon. We'll catch up, and we'll have our serious discussion.